From when we can remember, AI has had a tremendous influence on the way that humans survive, the way they live, they communicate, or even travel. But have you ever thought, where did this necessity arise from? Why did humans ever need AI? Perhaps it arose from the fact that humans have so many things on their plate, not to mention chores, jobs, looking after themselves. So, what if they just had machines that could do everything for themselves? They don't have to bother about menial chores anymore. They can have somebody else do it for them, just not human though. And yes, we succeeded in creating so many different kinds of technology. Things as simple as heating up our food or even looking after our homes. Ta-da! And because of those fast evolving brains of ours, we made so many improvements and advancements in technology over the course of so many decades. But oh no, we didn't stop with just that. We created robots that could do the same things as we do. Create objects, do the same things as us, track our lives. Look at this robot. It's walking like a human. It's jumping. Yeah, flipping. Raising his hands. We can't do this either. Wow. So, what does this mean for humanity? We have created objects/machines that could potentially, maybe even take over our lives. Think like us. The only thing we can hope is that we create nice machines like this one. Or we never know, they could take up our lives. Yikes.